Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it is Sunday. What's the date today? It is the 26th of January 2025, and today I'm going to be filming the new bridge connecting Wharf Road and Parkway, which is meant to be completed by spring 2025, so we're going to see if that will actually happen. I got some facts here. Well, they're not mine, but I'm still going to use them anyway.
Okay.
The installation links Wharf Road and Parkway. It's a key part of the waterside development. This 50 metres span pedestrian and road bridge is made from Corten steel, which is a deep red colour to reflect the industrial history of the site. Each arch weighs 110 tonnes. Around this area, just east of the city of Chelmsford, it used to be home to the city's gasworks, which were originally established in the early 19th century, but it was decommissioned due to changes in the gas industry. The bridge that was previously there was called the Bailey Bridge, and that was only access for pedestrians and cyclists. That's been dismantled, and this bridge is going to be access only for cars, pedestrians, cycling, and they're going to enhance a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit. It's meant to be completed by spring 2025, but we'll see if that's actually true. It's yet to be named, the bridge, but it's going to provide a nice cycling network and pavements for pedestrians, and it's been designed so that boats can still navigate the River Chelmer. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my drone and I'm gonna take it over the new bridge so you can get some aerial shots of it and we can see what's actually happening and see what it's gonna look like for the future. Let's go and do that. So I'm just on the fields by the Army and Navy, and I'm just finding a spot where I can take the drone up from. It's quite windy, so we'll see what we can get, but we're going to try it anyway. Just walking along this path just by the river, and we'll get it going. So I've just set up the drone and I'm about to fly it across to the bridge, as you can see. just landed the drone, packed it all away. I hope you can hear me alright, because it's pretty windy out there, and it's still really windy now, and my hands are so cold, but we got some good shots of the bridge, so yeah, not bad. So I'm back in the warmth of my car now, and that will be the end of the video. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other places in Chelmsford you'd like me to film, and I'll get round to doing that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.